Hey folks, it's Jim. Today I want to go over dental, SHTF, WROL. Let me open with a disclaimer. This video is not medical advice, dental advice, or advice of any kind. You and you alone are responsible to seek out the professional medical and dental advice that is right for you. Those are my disclaimers. Okay, here I have a dental kit, okay, and they're relatively inexpensive. I have always had dental kits. I'm a diver, so I would pick up exotic shells all over the world. And dental tools I would get from the dental clinics, the used ones that they were throwing out. And before they went to scrap, I would pick up used dental tools. Now, this is not a used kit, this is new. It has scalers and all the bit, even a nice pair of tweezers, which I really like. This is a really nice pair of tweezers. But you've got your mirror too. And have you thought of a dental scaling kit? Should it all hit the fan, you know what I mean? And it's all over. We might be able to learn to do basic maintenance things at home with a little training and all of that stuff, maybe, right? We might be able to. I'm not saying do this or don't. But have you thought about how bad dental infections are and how they will, believe it or not, if the whole system were to fall apart, how many people will succumb to dental infections and how bad it will be? And that's why I believe in having antibiotics and other things. A dental infection will be a severe detriment to anyone's health in our society now, as you know, let alone during a time where we can't get medical help, right? So, have you thought about something like this and possibly learning or taking some training or whatever? This isn't advice of any kind, so that we can keep up each other's hygiene properly during a time where we may not be able to get help and things of that nature. I think a lot of dental problems absolutely are correlated to diet, right? As you know, there are lots of inroads into dentistry now where they're finding remarkable results with being able to heal our teeth and things of that nature. So if I were you, I'd look that up now too. How can I possibly add or subtract some things from my diet that might help me possibly start healing my own teeth, especially those of you without dental care? I have free dental care, so I don't really, worry about this. And if I get a tooth that's bad and they want to do a root canal, for instance, and things like that, and again, this isn't advice, it's happened to me once, and I just said, pull the tooth. And the dentist's like, this is going to be easy to save. And I said, pull it. Because I've read articles on 50% of root canals can wind up with lingering long-term infections. Okay, now that doesn't mean that's true or false. It just means I read some articles on that stuff. And I don't want a ticking time bomb in my mouth. I'd rather get rid of it now while I have the opportunity to go to a dentist and get it done. Now that's what I do, okay? Or just did a while ago. Now I have a tooth. I just got a crown and I had them put gold in my mouth, by the way. That way if I have to cross a border or something, I can go see a dental practitioner or a vet in SHTF WRL. Did you know a lot of veterinarians are capable of doing, tooth extractions on animals? So since we're an animal, they might be able to do it on us too. Now, I'm not recommending that for anyone. This isn't medical advice. I'm just saying veterinarians are going to be so valuable in SHTF WROL, if it all falls apart, whatever, unbelievable. Vets are just fantastic people to get to know and form a relationship with, okay? As many of you already know. So something as simple as dental kit, low cost. I don't know what kind of tools you're going to want to get or quality. That's why I don't sell stuff on my channel. That's why I don't recommend things. Once in a while I do. But I more would like to see you go out, do your own research, homework, and purchase the items that are right for you rather than try and sell you something. Okay? I believe that, give a person a fish, feed them for a day. Teach a person to fish, feed them for a lifetime. So I prefer to teach you to fish for your own stuff. Okay? And that's kind of why I don't put all kinds of links on my channel. Go do your homework, your research, and make decisions right for you. Okay? That's my opinion on that. But have you considered how catastrophic simple dental infections can be in SHTF? And have you developed a plan? Have you studied basic simple remedies that we knew in the military to keep a guy in the field till we could get him medevaced out, right? And things of that nature. And how to treat certain things, right? Again, this isn't medical advice. It's information is out there and available. And anybody who was in the military knows that. We can field treat certain things, okay? So it would be a lot better, though, just the mirror alone in here, being able to get into somebody's mouth and see behind a molar so that I can determine what's really going on there and whether we really need to stop whatever we're doing and get this person to a qualified individual to possibly either do an extraction or fix the problem, right? So that's my experience to you. But dental infections, as most of you know, over the age of 50, can cause severe systemic bodily infections, right? The mouth is a very dirty place. And if you've got exposed or open wound or anything like that, abscesses, they can lead to serious infections, can't they? And require treatment right away. So anyway, that's what I wanted to bring up to you. The dental kit is very light, doesn't take up a lot of space, as you can see. Again, get training or do whatever you need to do. This isn't advice of any kind. But I would strongly recommend, a lot of people forget about how important dental care will be for a long-term survival. They totally omit it from their bug out, from their even preparedness. Dental is not even a thought. And you would be amazed at how many well-prepared people I have evaluated and said, what about dental? And then presented the catastrophic outcomes from simple dental infections, and our whole preparedness has omitted it. And so I wanted to share that with you again. Years ago, I did a video on that, how catastrophic a simple dental infection could be if untreated. So it would be a good idea if we prevent those infections first through nutrition and through proper hygiene, and then also have a plan and a backup to get the help we need in case an infection should arise. And that's also why I'm a total advocate of the Gase Medical Antibiotic Kit. I know it costs a lot, but folks, it's pharmaceutical grade medication I have in my possession that's 100% legal, and I am truly grateful to Gase for that reason. And a lot of it has to do with dental. I'm older. I can have a bad tooth anytime. So I darn sure am grateful to have antibiotic access so that I can keep myself covered while I get to help, which may be a long, long time in a SHTF situation, right? So anyway, hope you're all doing well. This was something I wanted to remind people about. People so often overlook dental hygiene and care, which is going to be detrimental to long-term survival for any human, okay? So please don't overlook this aspect. Make whatever choices you wish to in your lives, but please spend a couple of hours doing some reading, some homework, some research, and make some decisions as to why or why not to include dental preparedness in your preparedness package. Hope you're all doing well. Take care of yourselves. Stay dry, stay warm. Jim out.